Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best calcium supplements for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zoetis Dog Calcium Tablets. With a good balance between easy-to-stomach calcium carbonate and phosphorus for optimum bone health benefits, these one-a-day tablets are a convenient way to incorporate added calcium into your dog's diet if they need a little extra support. And as one of the best everyday calcium supplements, there is also added vitamin D for fast and efficient absorption. Safe enough for cats too, these calcium supplements for dogs are also chewable, so your pup thinks he is getting a treat and you can easily split each pill if you need a smaller dose. For just less than $20, PetCal tablets are middle-of-the-road budget-wise, but each tub should last you up to 2 months. Moving on at number 4, we have the SureGrow Vitamins for dog. Specifically formulated for growing dogs, SureGrow Calcium for puppies aims to promote optimal bone, ligament and tendon development during their rapid growth. This balanced phosphorus and calcium supplement for dogs also includes vitamin A and D3 for improved absorption. Administering these chewable calcium tablets for dogs should be also hassle-free thanks to the tasty formula your dogs will love or crumble over their daily meal to ensure they get all the essential calcium they need to grow into bone-healthy dogs. SureGrow can also help with bone and ligament conditions, including hip dysplasia, rickets and poor ligament growth. With this great value 100-tablet pack, simply give your pup between half and 2 tablets a day, depending on their weight to ensure they get the right amount. One of the best calcium supplements for puppies. At number 3, we have the Animal Essentials Seaweed Dog Calcium. Derived from seaweed sourced from Iceland's Atlantic seabeds, this calcified extract is packed with a host of nature's ocean wonders. As well as high levels of calcium, you also get magnesium and the all-important phosphorus plus potassium and zinc. But what makes this seaweed calcium unique is its minute honeycomb texture, which increases porosity, meaning there is enough calcium available for your dog's body to absorb. In easy-to-administer powder form, each 3 grams teaspoon gives all the additional calcium benefits your pooch may need per day to keep his bones, muscles, heart and immune system healthy. Simply sprinkle this natural calcium for dogs over your pet's food and the tasteless powder blends nicely into the mix. At number 2, we have the NaturVet All-in-One Dog Supplement Support. If you are looking for one of the best all-round nutritional dog supplements to boost your pet's health, then check out NaturVet's All-in-One Support. Along with calcium, you also get all the essential vitamins and minerals as well with digestive enzymes, omegas 3, 6 and 9 plus glucosamine and chondroitin. The result is a soft chew with enough calcium to support their digestion, skin, coat and joint health. And your dogs will love the taste of these chewy treats, which you need to give with each of their twice-daily meals, although the dosage can increase with larger dogs. Wheat-free, each container has 60 chews and the resealable lid means they can stay fresh right to the end of the pot. And finally at number 1, we have the Pure Synergy Bone Supplement for dogs. If the bone health of your pooch is a concern, Pure Synergy have produced a premium calcium supplement that could give your pet an extra boost. At the top end of our review budget, you do however get top-quality ingredients for your money, thanks to the 3-part formula. Bringing together plant-based nutrients, essential minerals and nourishing botanical extracts, Bone Renewal is a powerhouse of natural goodness that works to support bone density, mobility and strength. Its calcium source comes from Icelandic red algae, boosted by vitamins D3 and K2 and an impressive 74 trace minerals and phytonutrients, all sourced from the pure waters of Iceland. This is a calcium supplement that is for humans, so do chat to your vet as to the appropriate dosage and amount of calcium needed for the size of your dog. But with 150 capsules per pot, you do get a lot of calcium supplements support for your money. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.